Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider the sort of base intention that we tend to take to our practice. And we will generally have sort of a martial or healing intention, one of those kind of two camps. And generally, if we have kind of a healing intention, we come to it with sort of a softer mindset, maybe a grandmotherly mindset, a softer face, a softer mind, and then, of course, perhaps a softer body. Whereas if our practice is sort of more martially rooted, and maybe that's just today, my martial practice is more martially rooted, or recently, or these days, or this last few weeks since the workshop. If I am kind of martially rooted, I might find that there's a different tension in my face, in my mind, in my actions, and those become a shift in how my heart beats, a shift in how tension is carried in my body, a shift in intensity. And what I'd like to do is, if I have more of a martial mindset in my practice, or maybe just in those moves in my practice, what I want to do is try and find the sort of mood, the mode, the psyche, the spirit of the healing, and have that drive my martial. So I'm just as relaxed, calm, soft as I would be when I do the healing, when I do the martial thing. And if I am just focused on healing in terms of my martial art, what I'd like to do is invite you to consider it a little bit more martially, but without gaining that martial edge of the spirit of the mind, and keep the sort of the nurse's caring, loving, compassionate connection to the intention and the practice. And that is, I'm expecting much harder to do than you expect. So I hereby wish you good luck and great healing and growth. Thank you very much. All love.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.